What's up folks, Redshift just released a new version 3.5.17 and today we're going to go over one of the new features, which is the Jitter node. This node will help you add tons of subtle detail to your scenes very quickly. The default ID types for the Jitter node are the name ID and object ID. If you're using the name ID mode, variation will happen based on the names of the objects in your object manager. If you're using the object ID mode, variation will happen based on the object ID that you set in each object's Redshift render tag. The Jitter node also works with cloners and matrix objects. You'll have to connect an integer user data node into the user data ID property of the Jitter node, then input the Redshift MoGraph ID attribute under the attribute name property of the integer user data node. Voila! You can also jitter float values like the metalness parameter of a material or integer values like the IOR. Lastly, the Jitter node works with particles as well, but requires the addition of an integer user data node with the Redshift particle ID attribute input under the attribute name parameter.